day. Continuing on with the Civic. Managed to find myself some rear quarter panels. I'm going to go to Midland Panel and Lamp, I think they're called. They've got them in stock. Relatively sensible price. I have no idea on the fitment or the quality, but it's going to be better than it was, let's be honest. I'm going to go there first, pick up the panels, and I see exactly what's going on. I might need to order the sills as well still. Depends on how much of the panel actually comes with the sill part. I do apologise, we're in a slightly different place today. You might be all up in my face, but I forgot my mount for the glass. So you're just resting on the stereo. I am sorry. Might be a good look, might be a bad look, I don't know. I'll see you in the edit, will I?
Everybody say yeah! Yeah!
Hope you're enjoying the little introduction to the Civic. It's had its ups and downs. And I've just realised I'm actually going the wrong way as well. I've just woke up. The shower wasn't warm enough to wake me up. I don't know how much we're going to get done today. I'm going to get the panels lined up and then cut the excess of the bad rot off. And we'll see what else I might need to order in. I'm looking forward to cracking on with this little project. I really am. I hope you're happy. It's not exactly drifting or building a drift car, but this is what this channel's about. We literally have no idea what day to day might be. And that's the way I live. I should have been going to Chicago today to fly out for final bout in Wisconsin, but I'm still not allowed in America. You need to hurry up and open them borders for me so I can come in, because I miss the boys and I want to go drifting. That's enough of that jibber jabber. I'm nearly at the place now. Luckily they're not far away from where I live, so I'll zip in there, pay for the panels, and we'll have a look at them when I get them. Easy up then, boys. We're in public. And here they are. Honda Civic, EG and EH. I don't know what that is. 992, 995. And this is the passenger side rear quarter with a fuel cap. And there's the driver's side. Obviously we're right-hand drive here in the UK. It actually comes with more of the sill than I actually thought, so that's pretty good. There's a part number for that one, part number for that one. Next I'll be lining these up with the car, see how good or bad they actually really look, and then I'll start cutting out the excess and getting them ready to be welded in. Looks like we could do with a bit of charge on you. Later on in the day now, we've got the panels, as you've seen earlier, on the panel on the quarter, and I've just marked where the panel goes. So I'm going to actually have to create some magic here. The compressor's plugged in. I've got the air saw ready, and I'm going to start chopping it now and have a look what we're dealing with. So it's been a cheeky 10 minutes or 15. Got the air saw on it, and I've just cut inside this radius I've drawn. And also pop this off. Good access in here. So I can just put the pliers in there, pop this one, pop this one, pop this one, take it off. And now we're going to cut through there. Take some shape. But yeah, my next plan is to sort of cut here to about here. Basically, anything that's rotten, he's got to go. Got a bit of protection on because it's kind of loud. So the plan is to just cut the rust out. Kind of difficult one-handed. I doubt you can hear anything anyway, but I'm going to crack on cutting this out. I think that single-handedly is the best tool I've ever bought, because I'd have usually done that with a grinder. It's nice, eh? I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with this. I've used it once before, I think, to do something in the engine bay of the S15, I can't even remember. This is the first time I've done it. I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna end up making a jigsaw out of it all because I have no idea where it all goes. But the plan is to continue on the path of cutting and making it look pretty. I'm going to cut this section out now, carry on cutting the bad bits on the inside. I'm going to cut all here, around this section here. And I'm going to keep all that so I can use it as a marker. Eee. My plan is to continue this line up here and cut across up here, follow it down here, and then rebuild the inside as well. All the rust, except for this little bit here, which I need to cut, but I've got to separate them first. But all the rust as of here up is now cut out. I'm going to put a new blade in the air saw. I'm going to zip to that. Are we working? Oh yeah, 1, 2, sound. It's been a cheeky minute or two. Our mate Cuss has turned up. He's come to wash the car. It's nearly ready. I've had a bit more cutting and trimming. A little bit more cutting and trimming. Found some spider cunts for all the Irish brothers out there. And I've got this panel, as we've seen, and I've just ordered a new sill as well. That's going to be here in a week or two. I've started sanding down this because it had all under seal sort of stuff on it. But the metal's actually pretty good. I'm going to cut this last section out here, but the sill replacement will be about from here, comes up to about here, and then we'll continue that. And then I'll build up the inside. But now the rot's smoking, gone.
It's time to start putting the panels in and start like measuring up.
What he said. We're gonna cut the inner skin off this foreskin here.
Why do you like give me this little look, like, as if to say, like, have an input, cuss? Have an input, go on.
So I don't know what I'm doing.
What's next?
This is a Honda, this is a Nissan. Because what I'll do now is, I'll hold this first, bud.
Get that fucking light out of my face.
Alright, calm down, alright.
All I can see is like a line. A fucking white line.
See, what I'd usually do is I'd get the pot rivets out. One there, one there, one there. Trim that one there, and then we've basically got an over fender. You didn't need to put newspaper in the sill, dickhead. And then I've got to fill the gap. Oh, don't scratch me paint. But yeah, as you can see, we're pretty much... I just got to get the sill. We're pretty much there.
I'm thinking, for what it's worth, you might as well just like... You might as well just...
No, there's spot welds there.
Yeah, so you're going to keep this here, isn't it? So you'd have to drill the spot weld out along here, and then this should be left in there.
That stays, yeah. You drill there, up there.
How far does it go around there?
You just take the rear light out. But that should come off. So we might do it that way. We might cut here first and replace that, or I might replace everything.
Just put that panel in.
Yeah, like cut up to there.
I think that's what I reckon that might be the best option, you know.
So, and this is why I keep looking at for information and guidance. Because he keeps telling me he's had 8 of these. 8. Now he's got a caddy van. Anyway, we're going to crack on for a little bit longer. I need to get this bit of off here, and we might look into that. Might pop the rear light out and then have a nose. So we might see you in a bit. If we don't, we'll see you later. Or see you in a minute. My minute, your 3 seconds. Yeah, what he said.
Here you see, you guys in your natural habitat. How's it going, Skipper?
So, you only wish your day starts or not?
Oh, fuck yeah, this is the shit! Kill me now!
So, I decided to do it properly. I'm going to take the whole rear quarter out. So I'm just chasing the spot welds up and around, and then I'll go into here, and I'm going to replace the whole panel. Because I'm just thinking, 1, it's going to have fitment better, and 2, hopefully it won't warp as I spot weld it. And it'll be able to follow the lines a bit better. It's a little bit messy, but little progress, little and often.